Today we're at Barry Callebaut's chocolate manufacturing site in Banbury. Barry Callebaut are one of the largest chocolate manufacturers in the world. Today we first learnt about the process of turning cocoa beans into chocolate. We learnt about different recipe formulations and how ingredients such as milk powder and the level of cocoa solids affect its sensory profile. We also learnt about tempering and controlling chocolate's flow properties. We had a fantastic tour of the production site. We learnt about Ruby Chocolate, one of their new innovations, and their drive towards improved sustainability and sugar reduction.
This is my first IFST trip. Definitely won't be my last. I've really enjoyed today, learning something new and networking as well with other people in the food industry.
So I've been on a few now. This is my second visit to another site. It's been absolutely fantastic. I feel like I've learned so much.
Yeah, I'm doing my PhD in chocolate, and so I was really interested to come to Barry Callebaut and find out, how they do it and all the processes that they go through